All right guys, so today what I'm going to show you is how to upgrade the bulbs in your rear tail lights of your 2011 through 2016 F250, F350. All right, so what we have right here is the difference between upgraded bulbs. All right, an LED bulb for the reverse and then bulb upgrade for the brake light compared to just the factory OEM brake light bulb right there. And this is actually a T10 LED bulb. So it is LED, but it's not strong. It's not what it's specifically rated for, since it's only a T10 bulb. But this is the correct bulb that it calls for. And list the specific bulb that I'm using in this upgrade in the description below. All right guys, so here is one of the bulbs that I'm using. It's a 3157 white LED. All right, I'll go ahead and post the link in the description. Okay, and so these are for your brake lights, 3157. Whoops. All right, and then these are 921s. These are gonna be for your reverse lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It's gonna be the same process on how to upgrade. All right, so let's get into it. So this is fairly simple. What you're gonna need is just a socket. You're going to need an 8mm. All you're going to need is a ratchet. I'm using a quarter drive, and then I'm going to go ahead and use an 8mm socket. You're going to go ahead and remove 1 and 2 8mm bolts. I'm going to go ahead and remove that and then show you your next step. All right, the 2 screws are out. Just go ahead and put those off to the side. You're going to pull directly straight out. Let's see. Okay, and so here you come to the point where you're behind the tail light. What you're going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and remove these 2 wires. What you're going to do is twist counterclockwise. All right, and you're going to go ahead and do the same for the bottom one. All right, so we have the tail light off to the side. We have the 2 bulbs. All right, so remember what I said. Here's the 921 for your reverse. And here is the brake light. So I'm going to go ahead and clean up this small gasket right here. Go ahead and remove these 2 bulbs just like so. 1 and 2. Voila. Okay, so let's go ahead and crack into our new bulbs. All right, guys, so we have the 2 bulbs. Pull them out of the packaging. There's the 921 reverse. Here is the 3157 for the brake light. Going to go ahead and slip these into the respective slots for these bulbs, and then go ahead and insert these back into their the back of the tail light in their respective holes. Make sure you twist clockwise until they lock in, and you'll be good to go. After that, I'm going to go ahead and secure the 2 screws back in place to mount the tail light, after making sure that there are these pieces going correctly. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, those need to be penetrating those 4 points to ensure that it's a nice snug reinstall. So I'm going to go ahead and do this real quick. All right, guys. So here's the difference between the upgraded LED lights for the brake lights, LED bulbs for the brake lights. All right, as you can see, much brighter. I would say maybe a third brighter than factory, which is a good step up. Okay, by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and post the link to this third brake light as well. That one's actually pretty cool. It's only about 50 bucks online. Nice little look. It's smoked out, so it kind of goes with the black truck. Side note. So as you can see, much brighter, about a third brighter than factory. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it into reverse so I can show you how they look like. All right, so don't mind that beeping sound. That is because the rear tailgate is down and the rear sensors are going out or going off because of how close it is. That is almost, I would say, a third to a half brighter than factory lights. Those are awesome, which is good because when you're backing up a big old truck like this, you want to make sure that the people around you see when you're backing up. because more than likely they'll be able to see you, but you won't be able to see them. But they'll make sure that they stop well in advance because of the brighter lights. All right, I know the bumper helps as well. But yeah, just wanted to show you how to upgrade your rear tail lights and rear reverse lights. So go ahead and check out the links to all the parts used in the description below. Let me know if you got any comments, questions, or concerns. All right, just a quick side note, because a lot of my subscribers are also Ram 2500 owners and 2017 to 2022 Ford F250, 350 owners. I'll go ahead and put the links to the same really light equivalent for your truck in the description below. I'll probably start doing this from here on out because I've had a few trucks, all different trucks, and it's important to really appease to all of you. So I'll go ahead and put in the description below links to similar LED bulbs for your rear tail lights.